Only music theory I know is that if it sounds good, it sounds good, boy. Yeah, something like that. There we go. There we go. Something simple, bro. Okay, before that, let's add some more stuff. We're gonna do stock. We're gonna do stock. Only stock. This looks crazy. See, something crazy, bro. Random shit. Yeah, we're gonna need the chorus for this one. After the melodies are completed, boys, the melodies are fine now. Yeah, but this is doing something cool where it's like looping, and it's like the filters going up and down. That's pretty cool. I actually just want the first one. Now that I got it, proper, I just want the first one, boy. That's the thing, bro. Simplicity is key, especially when it comes to Nash. Simplicity, bro. Keep your beats simple and have a lot of space, bro. Lot of space, bro. I'm talking about 1 TB of space, dog. A calm TB, dog. Like maybe 2 TB if you're feeling, you know. You just want to do the most for that day, bro. We just mommies around, you know, trying to get your lid back, you know. Niggas been L-man, you got. Hey, what's up with this? Yo, dog. What's up with Bruce Dirty Macking, bro? Yo. Nah, dog, like there's no more union, dog. It's like brotherhood, dog. No union, bro. Two men have turned into dirty macathons, bro. Come on, bro. Not like this, chance. A little bit of sauce. Obviously, Nash wouldn't necessarily do this, but it's like a thing, bro. Like, you're not gonna get 100% Nash, bro. I'm not Nash, dog. I'm not that bro. It's like basically Nash in my context. Let's see. Nash in my context, bro. I want another one. I want another one. I'm gonna chop this up. Like, he wouldn't do this, obviously. Like, something I'm like, okay, maybe I'll do it. Okay, we got the melody down, boy. Melody's down, boy. We got EQs, you know, simple stuff, though. Because I don't want you to think that, oh, that's because I don't have this. Now I can't do this. I can't make a Nash beat. Now Nash doesn't fuck with me. You know, pop, you know. I don't do that, though. Stock plugins, boy. Keep it in a buck. Try stock plugins, dog. Now that it's a Koloma again, Fauna. A Koloma. Oh shit, the last one. Damn, getting too carried away. Bro, give me this. Looks cool as shit. Destructor? Yo, what is this, dog? What's this? Oh shit, relax, boy. Yeah. Okay, it's doing something weird. I don't even know what it's doing. But it's doing it. I like what it's doing though. Add a bit of delay. personally, if something's fighting with the melody, just add reverb on it, bro. That is like, it's gonna leave it alone, I promise you. Decap drum kit. If you don't have the decap drum kit, bro, hit me up on IG. Hit me up on IG. You know, I have my IG, you know, link below. You know, and I won't give it to you. Relax, I won't give it to you. I'll just show you ways for you to make money to buy it, bro. Nigga. Obviously, I'll show you ways to buy it, bro. Always add drum loops as well. Like OG Nash used to put like mad drum loops, bro. Especially on, oh yeah, on very like high energy moments. Okay, so this is actually a super short. I'm putting it out of time if I do that. Oh, it doesn't want to go lower. Strings like these, boy, I say just pack it up, bro. Honestly, it's shy. Another thing is always build on the bounce of the previous element. So this, I have to build on that. Okay, this is really loud. Let's take it out. I actually want to make this the primary. This is gonna be so in the background, you probably won't even notice it. But that's the thing, dog. When you're nice, bro, you can do whatever you want, bro. Always layer hats. Okay, this is a thing that I do personally. I just layer my hats. Bro. Like, that's it. Like, something simple. I'm just to emphasize the groove. And make it low. Decap 808 time. 808 time. If I could edit, I would probably put 808s on that, but bro, we don't
So we don't have the capacity.
808. These 808s are so buns. Yo, I'm using them because, you know, it's a Nash beat, but I would not use these 808s, bro. Because Nash just follows the 808 pattern, bro. Maybe he puts a little slide here and there, but it's mainly following the 808 pattern, bro. Upload the full beat on like SoundCloud. I upload the full beat on SoundCloud because now it's gonna take a year, bro. I just want you to get like the core basics of a Nash beat. This is a Nash beat right here. Not 100%, but somewhat. And with that, we finished the first one. First Nash beat. You know, we're coming crazy, bro. We're coming for everything, bro. The money, the hoes, everything, dog. Skeef. This is kind of Nash beat. And I have beef with Nash, bro. I have beef with this bro, dog. Cause why does he do this, bro? He's making us look bad, dog. Now we have to put flashes on hats. To put chorus on the drums. What? Does that, bro? I just put on the 2-step hi-hat, clap, 808, nah, it's chai, bro. It's got me out here, dog. Calculating, dog. Hey, I'm doing calculations on the beat, bro. I was trying to make some fun, bro. But shout out to Nash, shout out to Nash, shout out to the boys, shout out to you, Bruce. I knew you were under this, Nash just dropped, you know, that young pipe, something like, with creative. And yeah, on to the next.
Shady crazy.